You really need to do this for the 8/8 Shopee sale tomorrow because Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. This is Ericka, but before anything else, I would like to say thank you to my 3,000 views on my previous Shopee haul. Now let's convert that to subscribers, shall we? For today's video, I'm gonna share to you my tips on how I get free shipping on Shopee every purchase. Also, I'm gonna teach you on how to apply those vouchers upon checkout. I have 9 tips to share to you, so keep on watching. First tip, new user account. If you first created your Shopee account, then Shopee is very generous enough to give you a free shipping with no minimum. On top of that, you will also receive 2 vouchers, which is 80% off and 100 pesos off with a minimum spend of 400 pesos. Also, they have free special gifts that you can claim, such as surgical mask or Grab Express and such. Please note that one mobile number is equivalent to one account only. You cannot have multiple accounts with the same number. That is not allowed. Yeah, Shopee is very smart with that. Okay, as to the address, you can have same address for multiple accounts, so that's fine. You don't have to worry about that. Actually, I learned about that when I created my Miss Active PH Shopee store, and my best friend Rachel has an extra SIM card, so she gave it to me. Thank you, Rachel. Second tip, free shipping and homepage or daily discover. You can almost find all the free shipping vouchers or any vouchers in that page. You just have to click the free shipping icon and then you can find all your vouchers there and then claim it. Claim everything. Third tip, using the filter option. Not all uses this, so I'm gonna share this to you, because you should really use this for the 8/8 sale tomorrow. Okay, so first you have to do is to type in on the search box what item you want to order. So I typed here phone case, and then on the upper right you can click the filter icon, and then you can scroll down and find the free shipping, and then click free shipping, and then now you can all see the items that offer free shipping. So yay! Fourth tip, daily, midnight, and noon free shipping. So, okay, did you know that Shopee offers free shipping every midnight and noon, but there is an allotted time for this. So for the midnight, it is 12 a.m. to 2 a.m. and for the noon, it is 12 p.m. to 2 p.m. So there is an allotted time for that. So don't forget to claim. And I think you have to use Shopee Pay for this. Yes, you know about Shopee Pay because of my previous vlog, right? Fifth tip is a monthly free shipping voucher. So every month, Shopee gives a free Every month, Shopee gives a free shipping voucher. So now for the month of August. Yes. So again, you can find this in the Daily Discover or the homepage and then click free shipping and then you can find everything. Next tip is free shipping special shop. To claim this, just click on vouchers beside the free shipping main and then you can claim all the available vouchers. Next is Shopee Pay. So you know how I love Shopee Pay. So please use Shopee Pay every purchase. So now I'm gonna share to you how to top up directly using Shopee Pay. So as you can see in the platform voucher, the free shipping voucher is in gray color. So that means that it is not applied because you don't have enough money on your Shopee Pay. So what you have to do is to click the payment option. Then you can automatically see how much you need to top up. Now you also have the option if you want to top up more, like 5,000 or 1,000, and then you can choose a payment option. So yeah, I chose BPI and then click Pay Now. I already mentioned in my previous vlog that with Shopee Pay, you can have and avail all free shipping vouchers because there are more discount vouchers when you use Shopee Pay. Also, I mentioned on other ways how to top up. But I did not mention that you can actually transfer your Shopee Pay balance to a Shopee user. So yeah, let me know in the comments below if you want to know more about Shopee Pay. 8th tip, free shipping voucher in stores. Did you know that sellers can actually add their own free shipping voucher on their stores? Yes, I recently found out about this because I am a seller too, Miss Active PH, and we have this thing called Seller Shopee Center, wherein you can add discounts or free shipping. So yeah, when you see that, you know, there's a dashed line. So instead of paying 100, you're gonna pay 50 pesos only. It's parang, yes, that one. And then we can actually modify that, or we can add some discounts whenever we want to. So make sure before placing an order or before checking out, you should check out the profile first of the seller. Maybe, you know, they have or they offer some discounts or vouchers that you can claim. 9th tip, My Vouchers. To easily access your vouchers, you can go to your profile and then click on My Vouchers. So yeah, you can claim all the vouchers available there and you can use them. So as you can see, again, most of my vouchers, like I have to use Shopee Pay. So yeah, that's why I always use Shopee Pay. So use Shopee Pay too. How to apply vouchers upon checkout. Click on Platform Voucher and then select all the available vouchers that you can redeem, and note that you can actually add multiple vouchers. So as you can see in the video, I applied my free shipping voucher, cashback, and Shopee coins. So instead of paying 170 pesos, I only paid 93 pesos. So I actually saved 77 pesos. So that's a win-win. Disclaimer, what I have observed when I bought the 20 kg dumbbell on my previous Shopee haul, even when I used Shopee Pay to get free shipping, I still paid for the shipping, but with 45 pesos discount. So I think the free shipping only applies when the shipping fee is not too expensive, because the shipping of the 20 kg dumbbell is around 325 pesos. So yeah. Okay, so I would like to share to you that Miss Active PH is actually part of the 8/8 Shopee sale. So yeah, okay, I'm gonna share what I added. So I added this face eye shield. Well, eye shield. So it's like this. Oh, a little unboxing. Wait. This. I actually wore this on my recent Instagram post, so you can check it. So it's like this. There. There's a glare, but okay, it's like this. Yes. Woo. Okay. So not Miss Active PH related, but I'm actually selling face shield. So if you want to buy for only 50 pesos, just PM me on Instagram and yeah, we can arrange the details there. Wow, nag-promote. Okay, yeah, so if you guys want lang naman. Also, webcam cover. You can check out the Shopee store, Miss Active PH. Wala, ang dami kong binibenta. So yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna add this and the very last part of my video. So, if umabot ka dito, thank you. That is it for today's video, everyone. So I really hope you learned something from this. So yeah, I really want you to save money, so make sure you use Shopee Pay. Okay, I don't know how many times I said Shopee Pay, but yes, use that Shopee Pay. Because you know, temptations of Shopee. Anyways, happy 439 subscribers, everyone. I am so grateful for that. So yeah, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe and turn on post notifications so that you'll be notified every time I post a new workout video. Watch my Shopee haul video next. I'm gonna put it here. Yeah, bye!